actually, we opened the doors here in 1983. And so that, to me, every day it's amazing that we're still here. The main things that we do right now are teach weaving classes, teach spinning classes, teach dyeing classes, and we create things from the wool from our own sheep.
And it's a 5-day class teaching how to weave.
It's very hands-on here. Just learning to do the craft, either spinning, weaving, or dyeing.
I have to make sure it gets all exposed to the yarn. I mean, the yarn is certified organic, and the dyes are, that's pretty much organic when you go outside and gather the plants and then bring it in and use it for your dye. It has to be 140 degrees. If you go hot, it will end orange instead of red.
It's kind of amazing how many colors can be gotten from the things that grow around here.
By the end of the class, they make a 3-foot wide by 5-foot long piece of their own creation that they come up with out of their own head, pick their own colors, and just teach them how to do it.
People enjoy that idea that they're taking some wool and turning it into a beautiful piece of art. Whatever it is you want to learn, you learn from the beginning to the end, so you can go home and you're able to do that.
There's a lot of culture and tradition. This type of weaving came from Spain, really.
It's keeping alive the tradition.